Hi, I'm Sarah with 7 and All, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make mint surprise cookies. The secret to these cookies are Andy's mint chocolates. They are the surprise in the middle. These cookies are great to bring to parties or potlucks. They're unique and they're very easy to make. My brother baked a big batch of these recently and brought them to a work party. All his co-workers asked, "Oh, did your wife make these?" Which is funny because he's not even married. You can find the full list of ingredients and amounts listed down below. But first, I'm going to start with mixing the dry ingredients. We will be using flour, salt, and baking soda. When you're working with things like salt and baking soda, you want to be pretty exact in your measurements. So you can use a knife to make sure you get exactly what you want. Now, lightly whisk them together. So I've set aside my dry ingredients, and now I'm going to mix together my wet ingredients. And remember, keep calm and bake on. So my wet ingredients are white sugar, brown sugar, room temperature butter, eggs, a little bit of water, and vanilla. First, we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of water. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Next, we'll add our brown sugar, our white sugar, our eggs, and our butter. After you've done that, you can mix them together. Now I'm going to be adding my dry ingredients into my wet ingredients. You want to add a little at a time, and then mix it in, and then add a little bit more. Once you're done mixing your batter together, cover it and put it in the fridge. Cool it for about an hour. For most cookies, you don't really have to cool them for that long, but for these cookies, it's very important that they chill for the right amount of time because you'll have to work with them a lot and they'll get sticky and get everywhere and make a mess. I've cooled my dough for about an hour and I've preheated the oven. I've got my baking tray out with reusable baking paper, so it's very easy and the cookies don't stick to it. And now we are going to be forming the cookies. First, you'll want to take one of the chocolates and unwrap it. Put that to the side for now, and then put a little bit of flour on your hands. Take a spoonful of dough, roll it into a ball, and then press it out. Then you can take your chocolate and put it in the middle. Now, you just take the dough and put it around the chocolate. Make sure the chocolate is covered up with dough so that it doesn't leak out when it's baking. Should look something a little like this. Now, after you've finished the tray, you'll put it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're goldish brown. And after that, we'll take them out and show them to you. This is what the end result should look like. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like these. Now, my favorite part, to eat the cookie. Let's see what it's like on the inside first though.